Hey 40 plusers, YouTubers, subscribers, people lost on the interwebs. It's Deborah from 40 Plus 411. Hiya. So, today I'm doing a few unboxings. This is the December 2015 and January 2016 Wantable Accessory unboxings. The boxes look like this. And you get 3 to 5 pieces depending on your preferences and style profile. And let's get right into it. So I have a pair of medallion hanging earrings, mixed metals, pounded brass and silver tone. They're kind of cool. Different than anything I have, so that's nice. And a classic pair of mid-size hoops. Can't go wrong with those. We'll have to try those out. Yeah, I can wear that. That's not too big for me. Okay, then I picked up a watch. Face protector off and the back protector. Okay, this is a leather band. It's kind of metallic taupey color. And it's got a kind of a unusual shade of gold or brass or copper face. It's really nice. That's the time. Okay. Pull the timer out and set the time. It is 1 o'clock on the dot. 12:01. It's got a nice sweeping second hand. It's pretty. Let's see if it fits or if it's too big. And yes, I'm right-handed and I wear my watch in my right hand because my father, my mother, my brother are all lefties, and that's how I learned to put one on. So you can blame them for me being weird. I also wear it very low. There. And it's readable. I like that. That's awesome. And the fourth piece is really a pretty, it's a tassel, it's a metal chain tassel with kind of a smoky faceted stone right there. It's wire wrapped. I don't know if you could see the wire wrapping. Wire wrapped with a post through the center. It's kind of a, it's not shiny metal, it's not antiqued either, and it's long enough. It's got some adjustments. It fits right in the boobage. I like that a lot. That's cool. And it goes with, yeah, okay. I'm digging it. Maybe. With the right sweater. Not with this t-shirt for sure. I haven't put a hoop in I just broke it. I just broke the hoop. Wow. The other one seems not to be broken. Okay. Return. So we'll go with these. So that is from one Wantable box. Stone is a tassel, a watch, hoop action, and a mixed metal. Now, from the January Wantable box, I went with silver, which I don't normally do. I do usually gold or mixed metals, but there was a couple of pieces that really drew me in. I have been asking Wantable since July of this past summer for navy accessories. Navy stones, navy leather, navy whatever. And they haven't had anything. They've had some in kind of this, I want to say, tarnished silver metal finish or malachite finish, maybe? Not quite. And we're just going to hold this up. So we've got these teardrop studs with rhinestones all the way around. Navy. And this is a metallic clasped bracelet. And the see there? And it's metallic clasp, so it's easy to put on. There you go. Look at that. And it's got kind of a very loosely woven snake chain. There's the metallic. And then we have this shiny silver finished metallic faceted rod. It's just a rod. It's got all kinds of facets on it, so it catches the light. It's got a chain that catches the light, you can see here. So that is pretty. I can wear with a lot of my suits. And then there's a second pair of earrings on here, very dainty, and I like dainty studs. So this is a half moon crystal. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Look at that. So, those are very pretty, very dainty, and those are silver finish. So, 2 necklaces, 2 pair of earrings, a watch and a bracelet. 4 pair of earrings, sorry. 4 pair of earrings, a watch and a bracelet. And I really appreciate the Wantable service because with work and travel and moving all the time, I don't have time to accessory shop. And they actually have come up with accessories that work with my wardrobe. I give them specific pieces that I'm looking for. It took them 7 months, but they found navy accessories. And the navy actually is a perfect match for the suit I want to match, so I got lucky. But I love the Wantable service. It is amazingly reliable. The quality, I've had in over a year now, maybe 15 months now, I've only sent back like 4 or 5 pieces, and I get 4 to 5 pieces a month. So you can't beat the quality. I'm going to send these broken hoops back and either have them replace it or give me something else, because I thought I'd try hoops, but I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe they're not for me. We'll have to wait and see. I love both of these necklaces. Love the earrings. Love the watch. Love the bracelet. It's a home run. Wantable Accessory box unboxing. If you have any questions, comments, recommendations on things that you get in your boxes or things that you've seen in print that you think would look amazing, let me know, because they do have similar things that you see in editorials. Ciao for now.